Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of June the 22nd to the 28th. We have a lot of super deals in this flyer, and I'm pretty excited when you can get stuff really cheap. And they've reduced the cost of some items to like last year's prices, which I haven't seen in a long time. So I am pretty excited by that. A lot of us that were getting prints, we're getting that top booster of 5 back when you spend 15, along with that bottom one if you were so lucky to get one. It's valid for 2 weeks, so I'm assuming that this following week of the 22nd we'll be able to use it again, a 7 back when you spend 35, and these two do in fact stack when you're shopping in store. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published on Sunday the 22nd. If you guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel if you can take a second and like the video just to ensure that this video gets out there. And in case you missed it yesterday, I made a video about the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale where I showed you guys my $50 basket of stuff that I bought. If you want to check it out, I will link it at the very end. And the semi-annual sale runs right until the second week of July. So you have a little bit of time to make that happen. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is the 4 for $9 with the Bounce, Tide Simply, Downy, and the Unstoppables. This is typically 4 for $10. So to see it for this cost, well, they are doing something magical there because I'm really excited to see it for that price point. Haven't seen it in a very long time. So basically, if you're grabbing 4 of those items, it's basically $2.25 each instead of $2.50. If you want to use Walgreens cash, you're doing this with a no booster deal. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash or register rewards. I would recommend adding a $1 filler to make it $10 so you can use $10 of Walgreens cash or a $5 register reward and $5 of Walgreens cash. Like, what a way to make things happen. Next deal that we're looking at is the 2 for $8 on the Garnier and the Fructis. Now, hopefully we get coupons for both the whole blends and the Fructis. $3 reward when you buy 2. And if you were going to do both, you'd have to do 2 separate transactions because the register reward will only print once per transaction. Okay, so grabbing 2 of these for $8, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per item. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but for $1, it's a time when a lot of us stock up on shampoo. And also we have the Nivea men's body wash. That's typically $5. $5 reward when you purchase 3 with a 4 off 3 digital coupon. Grabbing 3 of the Nivea men's, that'll be $15. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $11. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $6 for 3 or $2 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And I also want to throw it in, guys, that IBOTTA had rebates and then the rebates vanished. If you have a week post to apply for any IBOTTA rebates, so I would hang on to that receipt. We also have the Suave dry shampoo. That's $6. We're probably going to get a 2 off a 2. $2 reward when you spend 10. And here is the $1 rebate on IBOTTA for this. A product I've never tried, but it looks really intriguing. So you can do this up to 5 times. So grabbing 2 of these for $12, the dry shampoos. I'm assuming it's going to be a 2 off 2 digital. You would pay $10, get back a $2 register reward, photograph your receipt for $2 back from IBOTTA. It makes it $6 for the 2 or $3 per dry shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Moving it along, we also have the Colgate for $4, $4 reward when you buy 2, and a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So I think these are going to be all new because I noticed in the app this morning all of the coupons were expiring today. Grabbing 2 of the Colgate products for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. A lot of us like to stock up on toothpaste, so this is not a bad deal at 50 cents. This seems to be the cheapest at the pharmacies to pay 50 cents for the toothpaste or brushes or whatever is the cheaper item. So definitely make it happen, guys, because what a deal. And now the next deal we're going to be looking at is the Cheerios that are $2.88. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon. This is a General Mills cereal. Over on IBOTTA, you're going to get 50 cents back also for each box with a limit of up to 5 times. So if you want to stock up on this, definitely this isn't the worst price. Grabbing 2 of these boxes at $2.88, that is going to be a total of $5.76. Remember, you have your digital coupon. You'll pay $4.76. Photograph your receipt for $1 back from IBOTTA. So it'll make it $3.76 for the 2 or $1.88 per box. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Something out, we don't really get a lot of deals for hairspray, so if you want to grab 2 Tresemme hairsprays, this is a deal to get them for $2.50 each. What you're going to do is grab 2 of them for $14. They're $7 a pop. Subtracting that 5 off 2 digital coupon, you'll pay $9. Get back a $4 register reward, so it's $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per hairspray. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal for some very cheap hairspray. They have this promotion, which is 3 for $9 on the Dawn, Mr. Clean, and Febreze Air Effects, which are the sprays. So you're going to grab at least 2 cans of the spray and then say a Dawn. IBOTTA has $1.75 back when you buy 2. Yours might be a little bit more than mine, but that's the one that I have. So grabbing, say, 2 Febreze and 1 Dawn for $9, pay that, get back $1.75. You're going to photograph your receipt to IBOTTA. So the final price point here is $7.25 for the 3 or $2.41 per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal. And especially if your rebate's higher, like $1 back per Febreze, obviously you could grab 3 of them, but make it happen because this is pretty cheap. Let's talk about some quick honorable mentions before we take off. The first one goes to the Imodium Lactate Pepcid AC Digestive Care, $7 reward when you buy 2. If we could possibly find some of this stuff on clearance, possibly a deal. And as we are in the summer months, it started on the 20th of June, there's going to be lots of deals for the next couple months, all on very cheap pop, drinks, beverages. So if you want to stock up for a party or if your kids drink a lot of this, Walgreens is the store to go to, especially when you can use Walgreens cash or register rewards for these drinks. And we also have the Jimmy Dean Bacon, the 12-ouncer for $3.99. Find that in the cooler. And with your drinks, you're probably going to need some chips. We have the Cheetos, Doritos, Ruffle, Tostitos for $2.99. That is an excellent price point. And ending it with the K-Cups for $5.99. That include Green Mountain, McCafe, and Donut Shop. If you are interested in Bath & Body Works, watch the video linked right here, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.